Sopas, or Filipino chicken soup, is a delicious comfort food, perfect for chilly days. Imagine a warm bowl of creamy, milky broth with chicken and macaroni, a staple in many Filipino households. It's surprisingly simple to make, even if you've never tried. Let's talk about the basics. You'll need simple ingredients: chicken, macaroni, carrots, celery, cabbage, onions, garlic, evaporated milk, and fish sauce. Easy to find, right? The beauty of sopas is in its simplicity and the warmth it brings with each spoonful. First, let's tackle the typical frustration people face. Bland flavor, and here's a pro tip. Start by boiling the chicken with a pinch of salt and pepper to create a flavorful broth. This step forms the backbone of our vibrant soup. Once the chicken's cooked, remove it and shred the meat into bite-sized pieces. Keeps things manageable and ensures every bite is perfect. Reserve the broth because that's your liquid gold. You'll use it to form the satisfying base of the soup. Now, heat some oil over medium heat in a pot. Saute onions and garlic until fragrant. And this process releases an aroma so irresistible, you'll want to bottle it as a kitchen fragrance. Add the shredded chicken and saute slightly for a deeper taste. Next, here comes the vegetables in play. Throw in those chopped carrots and celery for that classic mix. A pro tip is to lightly saute these veggies until they're tender but not mushy, ensuring they retain their crunch and flavor. And then add the reserve broth back to the pot. Stir, bring it to a light simmer, avoiding the most common mistake of a rolling boil, which could lead to mushy pasta. Then add the macaroni. Let's face it, no one likes overcooked pasta. Pour in the evaporated milk gently. Stir constantly to avoid curdling. Problem often faced if you let the milk sit too long without attention. And this step gives sopas its signature creamy texture that's adored by stir everything together and let it simmer. Add fish sauce to taste for that unique umami touch. This step elevates your dish to restaurant quality with minimal additional effort. Adjust salt and pepper as necessary, taste and tweak it to your liking. Finally, add the shredded cabbage just before you serve. This is a step people often skip, but adding it late retains the vibrant color and crunch, making the sopas not just delicious, but a feast for the eyes. Serve it hot, steamy, and watch as your family marvels at the comfort it brings. There's something almost meditative about sipping this simple yet rich soup. As an option, add a squeeze of lemon for a zest of freshness. So there it is. A simple sopas recipe, even a beginner can tackle with confidence. Remember, cooking isn't just about following steps, it's about creating moments. This isn't just a bowl of soup. It's a bowl of love. Enjoy making it,